Live is best TV. Oh, me have to watch it. Yeah. And please tell your neighbor to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get right to the video.
Give God thanks to a little stall. I don't know when he did it, you know. I think him give somebody the stall. Now laugh. Wagwan. I'm so proud of you. Google that. Lunch, snacks. Me I do a little video. As a matter of fact, you me come for video. So Wagwan with you in your little shop. Me have your graduation ceremony today. Good afternoon. But the mother said me not tell you. So Wagwan, you still have your little shop up and running. You've got blanka them seen there. Well tiled out. You can smile, you see. Well tiled out blanka people. Nalaf came on the program with him little stall. And they all help him to bring the shop to where it is. And it's now time for Nalaf graduation. He's still standing. Rasta Jal fan up Nalaf. Yes, so Anntydonna come to give you a graduation ceremony. So anything that you want to say before I start?
Anntydonna, look at the help us in the place, and after I watch your program, after I watch from my eyes, enough people talk about things about them, and I really what it's still about. You know, people always tell me, and then tell me to watch it and things and now thanks for everybody who helped me and thing, and look out for me and thing, and look out for my youth and thing, you know. So thanks for everything. And thanks for Donna, you're the boss. Go with that. I'm going for that. You don't know, thank you nobody. And thank you Father God for everything, you know. And life, you know.
Yes, so how has the program impacted you? How has the help you get? Talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you, like, help me a lot still, and I'm going to start me about it, find a shiny phone for me and things, people might help me, you know? That's everybody, I really know the people I'm still about, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
And what I want persons to know that you got your donations and you utilize it. You know what utilize mean? That means you use it on your shop.
Yeah.
You build up your shop, it might not be stocked full up. But you have your things them in there. Yes, and a lot of people in the community would love the opportunity that you get, because a lot of them see you with your shop and come to me.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, thank you for that. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you for that. Because I just start meet up and I have a shop now. I'm not far, I'm not getting out, you know. So yeah, welcome to everyone.
Yes.
Thank you, Donna. Thank you for that.
Yes, and Nalaf, I am so proud that I could have helped you. You have a balcony. Now in your shop sound box. My video make everybody see it where Nalaf coming from under the tree with one little stall blanka people. One little stall. Yeah man, so you feel good to know so you have your shop and only thing you need to do come here. Yeah, make him hold the phone after me. I'm not see them yet come, so I'm just go and run the program today. And them soon reach. So hold the camera here for me. So blanka people, as you all know, Nalaf came on the program. One day I was passing by. I was passing Nalaf one day. I just see my dance, I'm over there, so I'm saying, what you want? Every day that you're out there, with him to style him dance, we keep him company, I'm just video it just for fun. And in doing so, because he never came to me and asked me for no assistant. I remember the father with 2 child, always I sell soap and I sell fabric softener and stuff like that. And I videoed him, and when I videoed him, person said, oh my God, Donna Nalaf, give me a little bite. Nalaf, to the night outside. Nalaf, make me want help him, and person started to help him. Turn it back the other way, please. And in doing so, Nalaf began to utilize his donation that he got and fix up his shop. And it was more stacker than this. But I because of the corona. And me have to use them Anntydonna. Me have to use back the money towards them. But you know, in business, and I am so proud, go out a little bit more, I am so proud that I could have donated to Nala to assist Nala to bring his business to this level where it is. And you know, in the community of Mountain View, this is where I am from, this is where I live, and this is where I reach out to most, because I saw the need of the Mountain View people and felt like I should try and do something to help people in my community. Although I'm not originally from Mountain View, but Mountain View is where I reside. So thank you so much, Blanka people. Thank you all so much who donate to Nala and allow this to be possible. So Nala, you are one proud graduate, and today I just want to graduate you, and you have Nala $9,000 from Janice in Canada. Janice in Canada. Count it and Janice in. Blanka people, the road is a bit low because of the traffic going on. Yes, and Nala 7,000 from Damay in England. D-A-M-A-Y. Damay in England, or Danny, but it's somebody from England. Count it. Yeah. So tell the person them what you want to say. I mother wants to.
Thank you, everybody.
Yes, bless up.
Our shop over here, Thanks everybody.
Yes. Alright, so now laugh like all the people them know you. A dance. Yeah, when you give them a little dance, something clean and nice. The blanka shop. Come out up on the balcony. Come out on the balcony. Let them all have come out on the balcony. On the blanka. Can you know a dancing then? We just want to play something quick and
Billboard, yo, full force. Are the coolest kid alive at all. You know see everybody about. Look there, look there.
Bad man walking a fly past. Girl, I broke them neck, I look until them eye cast. Clean out and I'm a Gucci eyeglass. You know, they be my cruising, me feel so high class. They be my bounce, yeah, they be my bounce. They be my bounce, yeah, they be my bounce. They be my bounce, yeah, they be my bounce. Bounce. We going. Patas can them a bounce. Cookie they can't fool with in my bounce. Diva the real diva, she a bounce. Tall up, she a bounce. Nala on the front page in my bounce. Isabella logo, Dolly them a bounce. Sadiki the real snowman them a bounce. Bounce. Do they be my bounce? They be my bounce, yeah, they be my bounce. They be my bounce, yeah, they be my bounce. They be my bounce, yeah, they be my bounce. Bounce. We booming. They be my bounce, yeah, they be my bounce. They be my bounce, yeah, they be my bounce. They be my bounce, yeah, they be my bounce. Bounce. We booming. 1 series, 2 series, 3 series, 4 series, 5 series, 6 series, 7 series, 8 series. M series, X series, C series, you know the Aries, BMW, don't make it trouble you when we're passing through. They be my bounce, yeah, they be my bounce. They be my bounce, yeah, they be my bounce. They be my bounce, yeah, they be my bounce. Bounce. Hey, booming. They be my bounce, yeah, they be my bounce. They be my bounce, yeah, they be my bounce. They be my bounce, yeah, they be my bounce. Bounce. We booming. Enter the dodger, kick down the door like dance and then conjure. Exclusive, show boom boom, the bin my bounce that's all. Alright, take one axe. Now boy can't teach the style, them get box. Elite team, be my bounce ever hot. The style you need, the dance and the rock. They be my bounce, yeah, they be my bounce. They be my bounce, yeah, they be my bounce. They be my bounce, yeah, they be my bounce.
helping Nala.
They be my bounce,
It was a
yeah,
pleasure
they be my
helping
bounce.
Nala.
They be my bounce,
As
yeah,
you
they
guys
be my
can
bounce.
see, one donation though for Nala. Him shop up and running. And I want you to utilize your donation, Nala. Bless up yourself here and peace out.